So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. In this video, I will share you top 5 best low cap meme coins here. Okay, all these meme coins are below $50 million market cap, but these meme coins have potential to definitely get the $1 billion market cap in future. Okay, and maybe we can see their majesty and listing soon, including Binance. Okay, these all are very potential strong meme coin here. So you have to just for the video and make sure to like video and subscribe the channel. So friends, our first meme coin is Mag coin. Okay, this is the meme coin on Merlin ecosystem. Okay, you can see currently coin has 4 zeros in its price and its market cap is less than $1 million. Okay, less than $1 million market cap meme coin. So this is maybe a very risky, but definitely this meme coin can perform really amazing because of this thing. Okay, only on meme coin on Merlin ecosystem. So this is really amazing. Okay, this can be the best narrative for this meme coin, that this meme coin is working on Merlin chain, Merlin ecosystem meme coin. So that's amazing. Coin has 67% down than its all-time high about 20 years ago, and we are just now trading on its all-time low. Okay, you can see its all-time low was just 17 hours ago. Okay, from where we are just 3% up here. Recently I buy this coin on MEX exchange. Okay, I take risk, but very low amount risk here, because investing in this meme coin is highly risky but highly rewarded also. Okay, because still here you can see its market cap is below $1 million. So if this meme coin can gain the market cap of just $500 million, then this meme coin is the next 500x meme coin for us. Okay, and maybe it is possible because this meme coin is working in a Merlin ecosystem. So that's awesome narrative for this meme coin. This meme coin is listed on MEX exchange. It's not still updated here, but this meme coin is also listed on MEX exchange. We have from I buy yesterday. Okay, you can see Merlin Swap is also DEX where this meme coin is listed, but also listed in MEX exchange. First, the second meme coin is cat with hat. Okay, you heard about Doge with hat. Okay, but this meme coin is cat with hat, and this meme coin is very unique because it has 1.6 million holders here. Okay, 1.6 million holders. This meme coin is working on Solana chain. 1.6 million holders. So this is amazing, friends. Okay, awesome number of holders. So you can see $9.9 million trading volume, and still this meme coin is not listed on major exchanges. Okay, coin is working on Solana chain. Here you can see this is a cat theme meme coin on Solana chain. We have 42% down in its all-time high and 19,000% up in its all-time low. Coin has already killed 3 zeros from its all-time low here. Okay, and this meme coin is listed on CoinW. Here you can see P2B exchange. Okay, Bitmart, Coin Store. These are exchanges that are listed. But maybe we can see its listing soon on MEX, KuCoin, Bybit, Get.io. Okay, these exchanges can also list this meme coin, and this meme coin has still potential to kill at least 3 zeros here. Okay, already killed 3 zeros. Okay, from its all-time low, but still this meme coin has potential to kill at least 3 zeros here. Okay, its market cap is $45 million, but by the end of this mega bull run, maybe we can see its market cap up to 10 to maybe $20 billion here. First, third meme coin is Habibi Sol. Okay, this is other Solana blockchain cat theme meme coin here. Current price $0.04 dollars here. Current market cap is just $41 million only. Okay, last 24-hour trading volume is amazing, $3.9 million trading volume. Okay, and circulation supplies 999 million coins only, all in circulation. So that's awesome. Okay, we are just 23% down than its all-time high that was just 18 of the days ago, and we are 800% up than its all-time low that was 2 months ago. Coin is already listed here, you can see on Polynix. Okay, and also on Paypack exchange. Okay, these are the two central exchanges where this meme coin is listed, but definitely this meme coin is making its hype. Okay, I think just 2 days ago this meme coin was also trending here on CoinGo. That's why maybe we can see its magic chain listing soon here, and then definitely its market cap can be increased here. Okay, and maybe by the end of this mega bull run we can see its market cap up to $5 billion here, or maybe more. Okay, and its price can maybe reach up to $10 here. So the fourth meme coin is Small Cat meme coin. Okay, currently coin has 4 zeros in its price, 875 number market cap ranking here. Current market cap is just $31 million only. Okay, only $31 million market cap and 711,000 trading volume in last 24 hours. That's good. And coin is working in Bass chain. Okay, so this is the chain that can be the next big chain for the meme coins here. Okay, so that's why best chain is awesome for meme coin, and this meme coin can perform really amazing. Here you can see a cat theme meme coin on best chain. We are 61% down, then it's all time high, and 6,000% up than its all-time low. Coin is already listed in MEX exchange. Okay, and you can see these other are best dexes where this meme coin listed, but listed on Moji, listed on MEX exchange, from where I'm also holding this meme coin. And this meme coin can also be the next big meme coin here. Okay, and its market cap can maybe reach up to 1 billion or maybe $10 billion here. Friends, our fifth and last meme coin is Vita Inu coin. Okay, coin has currently 7 zeros in its price. Recently, this meme coin was listed on KuCoin exchange. Okay, that was the major exchange that where this meme coin was listed. Okay, and maybe in this year 2024, maybe we can see some more major exchange listing for Vita Inu coin. Okay, but current market cap is just $19 million only. Okay, only $19 million market cap. Last 24-hour trading volume is amazing. $9.3 million trading volume. Coin is working in Ethereum chain, Binance Smart chain. Okay, we are 68% down than its all-time high and 600% up than its all-time low that was in November 2021. So this is not a new meme coin. Okay, and this meme coin has already survived 2022's bear market, so that's why this meme coin can perform really amazing here in this 2025 next year mega bullion. Coin is already listed in KuCoin, Get.io, Bitget, to many centralized exchanges. Here you can see Bybit and the hot coin HTX has listed this meme coin. Okay, and maybe in this year we can see some more major exchange listing for Vita Inu coin. Okay friends, I'm already holding Vita Inu coin in Trustword. I buy this meme coin about 2 years ago in PancakeSwap. Okay, now I'm holding in Trustword. I'm not going to sell this meme coin. Okay, before Vita Inu coin can kill two to maybe three zeros here. Okay, after Vita Inu will kill 2 or 3 zeros, then I will sell Vita Inu coin. I think Vita Inu coin is the next 100x meme coin here. Okay, friends, and these are the five, okay, top five best low cap meme coin that can be the next big meme coin here that can gain the $1 billion market cap here in future. But friends, no doubt they are low cap, so they are highly risky also. So if you wanna take risk, then you have to invest here. Otherwise, this video is not any financial advice video. I'm not responsible for any of your loss here.